Second intervention, senolytics, the selective removal of senescent cells. And the media has given us so much coverage and revealed just how pathologic these senescent cells are. Time magazine reported if you have just one senescent cell in a group of 7 to 15,000, well, that causes the other cells to become senescent. It essentially is so toxic, you have to remove as many senescent cells as you can. And the media has really picked up on that. They refer to these senescent cells as zombie cells because it's very analogous. The senescent cells emit protein-degrading enzymes. They produce chronic inflammatory signals. They induce systemic havoc, and they essentially infect other cells that then become senescent. And it's literally like being bitten by a zombie, and all of a sudden there's more zombies. And with senescent cells, they're infecting other healthy cells and creating more senescent cells. So tremendous media coverage around the world talking about senescent cells and their pathological mechanisms, and getting into the details in a way that many, many people now are aware that if you're going to reverse aging, you need to remove as many senescent cells from your body as you're able to do. And the neat thing is, last year, the JAMA reported on the potential of senescent cells to reverse aging and improve medical outcomes. And just last month, New England Journal of Medicine, they picked it up also. So we've got the two major medical journals, in addition to hundreds of others, now discussing senolytic therapy, which is selective removal of senescent cells, as being a way to better manage aging. We've got essentially unanimity in the idea that senescent cells occur in people as they grow older, and removing them is a real good idea. So we've got a senolytic cocktail that we're putting together. Dasatinib, quercetin are currently the gold standard, but we're going to add fisetin, a real high dose of fisetin, to a 3-drug cocktail to induce as much removal of the senescent cell burden as we're able to in the study subjects in the Vitality and Aging Interventions trial. Chronic inflammation, major problem with aging. Now, we think by reducing the senescent cell burden, we'll get some reductions in inflammation, but we want to go further than that. We want to boost the omega-3 index to over 10%. That's very important. Now, a lot of people who eat cold water fish and take a little bit of fish oil, they achieve near 10%. But some of these people in our study group, if they're not over 10%, we're going to have them take a lot of fish oil, and we're also going to attempt to restore healthy function to tissues that were damaged by inflammation using a group of fatty acids known as resolvents. So study subjects in the interventions trial will be given high-dose fish oil if they need it, and they'll all be given pro-resolvin mediators, these special fatty acids, to help restore damage to their healthy tissues.